Good day everyone, we are the Group 8 and we will tackle about safe watermarks, special marks, and their chart symbols and abbreviation. With members of Decadet Trapeza, Jeff Carlu, Decadet Sadili, Dave Layson, Decadet Salandron, Mark John, and Decadet Recto, Clifford C. The objectives for today is to understand and to identify what is safe watermark, special marks, and their chart symbol and abbreviations. Safe watermark are used to indicate that there is navigable water all around a mark. Such a mark may be used as a centerline, mid-channel, or landfall buoy, or to indicate the best points of passage under a fixed bridge. Safe water marks have red and white vertical stripe with a single red spear as a top mark. There are three types of safe watermark buoys such as spherical, pellar, spar. So this is the safe watermarks at daytime. And this is the safe watermarks at nighttime. A single white light shows one long flash every 10 seconds.
Chart symbol and abbreviation. This is the chart symbol and abbreviation of safe watermark. The RW means red and white vertical stripes and it has spherical, pillar, and spar. Safe watermarks. Number 1. Color. Red and white stripes. Number 2. Shell. Spherical, pillar, or spar. Number 3. Top mark. When fitted. Red spear. Number 4. Retroreflector. Red and white stripes or bands are used in the comprehensive code. Number 5. Lights. When fitted. Color, white, rhythm, occulting, isophase, long flash, Morse code A.
Special mark features. Special marks show a special area or marking an area that is regulated for specific use, such as military exercises, or contains submerged obstacles such as cables or pipelines. Special marks are yellow and sometimes have a yellow X as the top mark. The shape of special marks are optional. It means it can be spherical or spar or pillar. So this is the special mark at daytime, and this is the special marks at night. The flashing light is yellow.
Chart symbol and abbreviation. Admiralty chart, symbol for a special mark. This is the chart symbol and abbreviation of a special mark. And the letter Y means it is yellow and it has a X as the top mark. For the recall is special marks, its color is yellow. Shape is optional but must not conflict with that used for a lateral or safe watermark, but mainly are conical, spar, cylindrical, pillar, and spherical. Top mark, when fitted, is single yellow X. Retroreflector, one yellow band. Lights, when fitted, color yellow. Rhythm is occulting, flashing, or group of 4 or 5, exceptionally 6 flashes.